DJ Magic Kenny in the house. What's going on, guys, man? Holidays, busy season. I've been running in and out of Airbnb, hotels, and clubs and private parties the entire month. But I want to take this time as I'm about to check out in this Airbnb right now. I want to take a time to say happy holidays to everybody who's been supporting my channel. Happy holidays to all the DJs, to all my fans, everybody who played my mix. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. You know it's all love. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. But you know I cannot come through and not give you a little germ for your craft. I'm about to share 3 websites I believe if you're a DJ, you definitely need to have your mix on these platforms. And there's a lot more. You can use as many as you want, but these 3 platforms, it's mandatory for you to have your mix, your mixtapes, your songs, and everything that you create, remixes, to have them on these platforms. So what are they? Let's get to it. All right, the number one place that you have to put your mix, which is available for the entire world, everybody can listen to it in Jamaica, Caribbean, UK, US, you name it. It's YouTube. I did not notice that YouTube was this powerful when it comes to mix. So when I first started, I only used a few other ones, but I never really used YouTube. So I would say YouTube is definitely the number one place you got to put your mix. And it doesn't really have to be video. That's if you can find a way now to bypass the copyrights and the policies and stuff like that. YouTube is definitely number one. Number 2, the second place you could upload your mix and your songs is SoundCloud. SoundCloud is very popular. It has a lot of fan base. I've watched this website grow from, I don't know, for the past 10 years. It has a very big fan base. So SoundCloud is definitely number 2. SoundCloud is definitely the second place I would say that you need to upload your mixtapes, your mix, your remixes, and songs. And the third place to upload your mix, your remixes, and mixtape, I would say is Audiomack. Audiomack connects you with all the Caribbeans. It connects you with Africa. It connects you with some of these places where SoundCloud is not allowed. It connects you with some places where YouTube is not allowed. So my top 3 places to upload your mix is YouTube, SoundCloud, and Audiomack. And of course, if I want to make the list longer, I would say find a way to upload your mix on Apple Podcasts, because you know a lot of people use Apple iPhones, and I would say Mixcloud is also a good one. I'll add a few more in the description, but if I wanted to pick my top 3 places where you could start right now to upload your mix, your mixtapes and remixes to start building up some following, I would say YouTube, SoundCloud, and Audiomack. Do not sleep on it. Go record your mix and tag me on your mix. I'll listen to it. Of course, I'm always listening to DJ Mix. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Good luck. Happy holidays. DJ Magic Kenny.